Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 14 of my advent calendar series. And I've already filmed all of this, but I never hit play. I think Camille is right here. You might see her ear pop through. So she just got me a little out of sorts. You know, I'll blame her. The Ipsy calendar goes from left to right. So we're on 14, and here it is, a nice big box. And I already took it out, and I already told you all about it. So, oh my goodness, y'all. What is in there is the Huda Beauty. This is the Legit Lashes. This is a fantastic mascara. Fantastic. I really love it. Betty Vick, who gave me this fabulous Ipsy calendar, was just talking to me the other day about how Tarte Man-Eater mascara is her favorite. And that's been my favorite for a long, long time. For years it's been my favorite. Until I met Huda Beauty. Now, don't get me wrong, because I still love the Man-Eater and I still use it. And I love it. But I'm a person that likes a few different kinds of mascaras, but not before was just the one. But this one is in my top. This is definitely, it could surpass the Man-Eater. It could. I'm trying to get it open so I can show you what it looks like. I have one going right now. There it is. Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. And then it does say curl and length here and volume here. So this is two-ended. So you know, you can do a couple of coats. Fabulous. Love it. Love it. Love it. Absolutely love it. I think it might have taken over as my favorite. But I do like a lot of different mascaras. And I use different mascaras for different reasons. The Huda I use, you know, for really, if I really want my eyes to pop, if I, you know, an occasion or something like that, sometimes for filming. And then some of my other mascaras I use more like for everyday kind of things. So in the Space NK, 14 is on the lower level, and it is, it says it's full size in the book. Summer Fridays. Look at that pretty packaging. Isn't that beautiful? This is the Jet Lag Mask. This hydrating mask is designed to drench tired or stressed skin with hydration and nutrients for a renewed, radiant look. The sun is beaming in here. And there, of course, is the train. This is a metal tube. Very beautiful. Really, it's so pretty, y'all. And there's a lot in here. Now, it's 64 grams and it's 2.25 ounces, but that looks bigger to me. It's not sealed. I thought it would be a puncture because it's a metal tube, but it's not sealed. But I'm not going to take any out. It doesn't have any scent, which is good. I'm going to save that for another time to try it. So I've got a few moisturizers going right now, so that is enough for now. So, excuse me, so that is our advent calendars for today. Count your blessings. The Ipsy calendar, and there is 14, and it is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. And there is 14, and Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Beautiful.